So here we have our picture. I'm going to start with my long sentence, and looking at the picture, I'm going to be thinking, what about this picture could be dangerous here? So to me, the first thing that jumps out is that there's snow around, so you could get snowed in. So I'm going to write about possibly being snowed in or something around being snowed in. Looking at holes as well, the author uses a lot of words that indicate probability. So I'm going to magpie that, I think, and I'm going to start with a word of probability. I'm going to start with usually. Usually, the snow would, using a modal verb there, build up so much that it would snow you in for weeks, and you would be stuck in the house alone. That seems like a pretty scary, dangerous situation for me, especially if I had no food. So then I'm going to be looking at my short sentence. Now I really want to be building up suspense and creating a sense of danger here. I'm going to put not this year. This year was different. And I might continue my story by having the snow all melting and revealing something else that might be worse underneath, or something about the animals being hungry and trying to get to me. I'm really creating a picture here.